It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Oh, everybody's having a great Wednesday, and today we got a special unboxing. This unboxing is being brought to us by none other than the big broski BBOYLASPin. Appreciate you letting us get this unboxing for the channel, bro. This is a shoe that I have yet to see in person, y'all. You know, I thought about it and I was like, dang, I have never seen this shoe in person. You know, I've seen pictures of it and stuff like that. I've seen reviews on this shoe, but I've never actually, even at sneaker cons and stuff, I've never seen this shoe in person. So if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, this is your first video rocking out with your boy, DaRetroWizKid and the Sneaker Dungeon family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. Get it! We on the race to 10,000 subscribers, 3K right around the corner, y'all. I appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all. It does not go unnoticed, and I love each and every one of y'all that tune in and show and give that support. Let's try to get this video up to 50 likes. Hit it, splash it, and whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about these kicks. Have y'all ever seen these before? Do y'all own these shoes? But let's go ahead and let's get straight to it. And we in there, y'all. Now these things, y'all already know how we rock, man. We rock out with Stockx to the max, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, there's GOAT, there's Stockx. They got the SneakerCon app. But you know, we be rocking out with Stockx heavy, y'all. None of these videos are sponsored by Stockx. I'm just letting y'all know that that's where I get most of my kicks when I miss out on something, and this is where my bro BBOYLASPin picked these up from. So I couldn't find my Gerber, y'all. I don't know where it is, but we just gonna slide this thing on open, and let's get this thing up out the box. All right, yes Lord, yes Lord. Y'all see it, man. Do y'all know what retro came in this box, y'all? It looks like your normal Jordan, but as you see, man, you got a couple little extras on it. You got that Jordan, you got that Air Jordan right there. You got that gold Jumpman right there on the box. You know, it's a little bit different, so y'all let me know what y'all think this is. And y'all already know we gonna do what we do over here at our best, man. We gonna, woo, that's a different one. Check these things out, y'all. So we cracking it open, y'all. Y'all see it, man. We got the Stockx receipt. We got the Stockx sticker, or not sticker, but the official as a whistle thing showing that it was verified. And we got that Stockx sticker. And now, oh yes Lord, yes Lord, yes Lord, these things have officially been smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid. Let's get these things up out the box, and we in there. These things are fuego, and I'm talking about fire flame, y'all. Man, the quality on this shoe, I'm gonna just have to sit one of these down, man. The quality on this shoe is just immaculate, y'all. This is probably, man, these things, y'all already know, man. We're gonna take them out there. We're gonna get a close-up for y'all, man. But these things right here are gas. Now, y'all already know what time it is, man. We're gonna get these close-ups real quick for y'all, and we're gonna end it back up in the sneaker dungeon.
As y'all see, we got that Jumpman box, and it looks like the typical Jordan box, but it's not. You have that Air Jordan on the side, and the whole box, the lid removes, and you have that Air Jordan on the other side of the box as well. Gold pull tab on the box, and you got that Air Jordan 9. This is part of the Pinnacle pack, y'all. Multicolor is what it says. I don't know why it says multicolor. And here they are, y'all. These things are fuego, and I'm talking about fire flame. Now, y'all, just giving y'all a quick glance and look at the shoe, and you know we're gonna get up and close on this thing. The shoe, you got Air Jordan right there on the tongue. Shoestrings remind you of the Air Jordan 11s, Jeter lows that they came with. On the bottom of the shoe, you have that white outsole as well as on the midsole, and you have that brown Jumpman on the bottom. As y'all see, this resembles a baseball glove. It is very, very dope how they did this, and I must say the quality on this shoe is just immaculate, y'all. It's insane. Best Jordan 9 quality I've seen so far with leather. This is just a very detailed shoe. I think they did a great job with this shoe. All in all, the shoe is all brown all the way around, and on the bottom is where you see the white. That's the only part that has a different color, and it right there with the Air Jordan on the tongue. I think they should have came with loop laces though. I think that would have been a little bit, I don't know, better, but I see where they're coming from by putting the shoestrings like that. Right here you have that 45 bag, and then you have that black Jumpman hang tag, one of the dopest hang tags I've seen. You got the 35 on the back with the globe, which pays homage to his time when he spent with the Scottsdale Scorpions of Arizona Fall League in 1994. So that hints why we have that 35 back there, y'all. Very dope shoe all in all. In the inside, you see we got that pinstripe inside and that gold Jumpman. I think that the shoe is very dope. You know, they came out with a black pair as well, which pays homage to the Birmingham Barons. And this is just a dope shoe, y'all. When you think of a baseball glove, definitely this shoe really resembles a baseball glove with the woven in and out pattern on the upper. It is just a very dope shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. I think the quality is A1. I think the idea of the shoe is A1. And I mean, great concept, great way to bring this shoe together, Jordan Brand. This is an outstanding shoe in my opinion. Y'all let me know down below.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the review of the Pinnacle 9s in the brown and white colorway. These are very, very dope, very clean, y'all. I'm really digging the way that these feel, man. They feel immaculate, y'all. I'm talking about the quality is just nice on these, and that smell, man. Woo-wee! That smell is that's that good A1 sauce type leather material on these, man. Man, they need to make the Jordans like this all the time, man. This is just A1, y'all. But if this y'all first time rocking out with your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid in the Sneaker Dungeon family, and y'all made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. It is greatly appreciated. All the love and support does not go unnoticed. At this time, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at the Retro Wiz Kid, posting them pictures for y'all. Over on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and I do follow back. And don't forget to splash that like button over on Facebook at the Retro Wiz Kid. Hey, and y'all already know what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do what I do over here at my best, because y'all know this is what we do over here at our best. I'm gonna spin them pictures for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the review. Shout out to my big broski, BBOYLASPin. Y'all head over to Instagram and follow, bro. I'm posted right here again for y'all. I appreciate all the love and support, and I love each and every one of y'all that tune in. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Get it!